Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 10 circles. We will start with exercise 10.2 which is related to theorems 10.1 and 10.2 that we learned previously. They were about the angle subtended by the chord at the center of the circle. So, coming back to exercise 10.2, the question number 1. Recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. So, what do we know about congruent circles? That if two circles are congruent to each other, then their radii are equal, and vice versa. That is, if two circles have equal radii, then the two circles are congruent to each other. Now, we need to prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their centers. So, what we have done is we have drawn two circles, circle number 1 and circle number 2, such that they have chords RS and AB which are equal to each other. We need to prove that the angles subtended by these chords at their centers are equal to each other. That means we need to prove that ROS is equal to APB. Angle ROS is equal to angle APB. So, how do we prove this? See, circle 1 is congruent to circle 2. So, we know that when two circles are congruent to each other, their radii are equal. So, these two are the radii and these two are the radii, and all these OR is equal to OS is equal to PA is equal to PB. So, if you take into consideration your triangles ROS and triangle APB, you have OR is equal to PA, OS is equal to PB because they are the radii of congruent circles, and also we have RS is equal to AB, this is given. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent to each other by the side test of congruence. Therefore, angle ROS is equal to angle APB by the corresponding pair of congruent triangles property. So, let us write down the proof quickly. I will say proof. Circle 1 is congruent to circle 2. This is given. Therefore, OR is equal to OS is equal to PA is equal to PB. Radii of same and congruent circles. Correct? Why same circles? Because RO and OS, they are of the same circle, and PA and PB are of the same circle, and these two are congruent circles. Therefore, OR is equal to OS is equal to PA is equal to PB. So, they are the radii of the same and congruent circles. Let us mark this as 1. Now, in triangle ROS and triangle APB, I have OR is equal to PA and OS is equal to PB. This is from 1. So, have we written OR, OS, PA, PB, right? And also what do we have? That RS is equal to AB. This is given. Therefore, triangle ROS is congruent to triangle APB by the side test of congruence. Therefore, I can say that angle ROS is equal to angle APB by corresponding pair of congruent triangles, or CPCT. So, this was about question number 1. Question number 2 is exactly the vice versa of question number 1. Here they have given us two congruent circles 1 and 2 and chords R and S, A and B, subtending angles ROS and APB at the centers of these circles respectively, such that these two angles subtended at the center are equal. I need to prove that these two chords are equal to each other, that is RS is equal to AB. So, how do we prove that? See, now circles 1 and 2 are congruent to each other, therefore, their radii are going to be equal, right? So, I am going to have OR is equal to OS is equal to PA is equal to PB because they are the radii of same and congruent circles. Also, so if you take these two triangles, you can see very clearly that they are congruent by the side test of congruence. Therefore, RS is equal to AB by corresponding pair of congruent triangles. So, let us go ahead and write the proof. So, I will say proof. Circle 1 is congruent to circle 2. Therefore, RO is equal to OS is equal to PA is equal to PB. this is going to be radii of same and congruent circles. Now in triangle ROS and triangle APB, I have RO is equal to AP. So just for the correspondence purpose, even here I will make the changes. See, I am taking RO, so I should take AP. And I am taking OS, so I am going to take PB. So this is right, and RS is equal to AB. So instead of PA here, I am going to write AP. Fair enough? So making the changes here also. AP. RO is equal to AP, then OS is equal to PB. I'll mark this as 1. So from 1, and also angle ROS is equal to angle APB. This is given. Correct? Therefore, the two triangles ROS and APB are congruent to each other by the side angle side test of congruence. Therefore, I can say that the corresponding sides, that is RS and AB, are equal to each other by the corresponding pair of congruent triangles. So please take a look at these two questions. Pretty simple exercise with just two sums and quite similar. One is the converse of the other. So thank you for watching the video. Let's continue with the remaining sections in the remaining classes.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.